Hello, I'm Shawn O'Leary, the Chief Technology Officer at Terumo Neuro, and I'm really excited this year to be at ESMINT, where we're showcasing some of the most advanced neurovascular technologies in our portfolio. So please join us at our booth on Thursday at 1 p.m. for a silent symposium featuring our PHIL liquid embolic system. We're honored to have Professor Reay presenting, and with this session, it will be moderated by a lead PHIL research and development engineer. The PHIL product was engineered to address key limitations in liquid embolic preparation and delivery. We developed a pre-filled, ready-to-use system that eliminates the need for shaking, thus streamlining the workflow and reducing variability. The PHIL comes in a variety of viscosity profiles to support a range of clinical scenarios. So again, please stop by our tech suite to get hands-on with the PHIL 25 and the PHIL low viscosity products and explore how our liquid embolic supports the AVM, AVF, and MMA treatments. We're also proud to be celebrating the impact of the web device in neurointervention over the last 15 years. We're so proud to introduce also the Sophia Flow 88, the aspiration catheter, to the EMEA region, bringing the latest in ischemic stroke technology to more physicians and patients. So on behalf of myself and the entire Terumo Neuro team, we're proud of the innovation behind our products and the meaningful impact they are making in clinical practice and patient outcomes. So I'm really looking forward, again, to connecting with all of you at ESMINT this year.